Hi friends, thank you for coming back. It's Elaine Marie. How are you today? Well, I painted this the other day. Pretty cool, right? Full moon. And we got some trees. And the trees, I did paint them with a fan brush, which we're going to do today. Okay, I got my canvas ready. What I did was, I painted the whole canvas black, little black with some blue. Then I took a cup and I took chalk, made a circle, and then I filled that in with some white paint. On the edges, okay, as long as this is dry, come in and take the chalk mark away. Over here, okay, we have the snow on the bottom. And what's pretty cool about that is, use your angular brush. And when you do, watch this, come in different ways, okay, because this is snow. So you don't want to just do it straight across. There you go. There you go. It's the angular brush. And that'll leave some, look like it would be a little bit of the snow moving, or like little footprints. Okay. Now here we go. We're going to take the fan brush. Okay, there's two types. This is like a bristle, and then you have the softer one, but you want the stiffer one, okay? You're going to come in, and you're going to pull that black out. Okay, you're going to pull that black out. You're going to start right here. And you're going to go like sideways down like this. And then you're going to, there you go. This is the angle you're doing. And you're going to come down like that. Pretty cool. There. And right down by the snow right here. Alright, we'll come up here like that. And again, you just pull the black, angle it like this. Okay, and then twist the brush this way. If you need more paint, just come in. There you go. This is so cool. You got your tree, and you got your moon. And I think over here, we'll do another one. You bring it all the way down. Again, you twist it. Again, there you go. And this was with the brush being dry. Okay, and I'll come down like this. Now always remember, now we're just going to take angular brush, I'm going to run that right in. And make sure, just kind of make a little line like that. That's the trunk of your tree. You can make that as fat as you want. So always make sure we get that in there. Okay? Pull it down. When you press down, it will go fatter. There you go. Love it already. Now you're going to take, okay, your fan brush, and it's okay. You don't have to wipe it off. Run some white and just dab it. It's a little bit, that's the snow on your tree. Isn't that cool? There you go, we'll do a little more here. Alright, that's your fan brush. A little bit over here on this edging. Wonderful, I love it already. Now, take your small pointer brush. Okay, here you go. Now we're going to tap that, and we're going to get stars. And put in as many stars as you like. This is a very fun and easy project. You might want to come all the way down here too. Yeah, look at that. Okay? And you make your stars even with little toothpicks if you want, depending on the size that you want your stars to be. This is a fun video. Oh, that's really, really, really cool. But what we're going to do now, okay, we're going to wipe, okay, let's wipe that brush off a little bit. Come in and mix a little white like this with the black. Just make it like a little light gray. We want a little bit here. That's going to give you, right, your little shadow. Okay, from the moon. Little black, little white. And just dab that like that. Okay, now that looks cool. Okay, again, you're just making it gray, black and white with a gray. There you go. Giving it like a little shadow. Wasn't that fun? Really, really a lot of fun. So remember, black and blue, come in with a cup, with your chalk, make your circle, fill it in. When it's dry, wipe off the chalk mark, and then come in again with a fan brush, okay? And then come in and do like this, and then twist it and come over like this. Always remember to do the trunks of your trees, and that you can make wider, or you can do that also. I'm going to make this one a little wider. There you go. Oh, I love that. I love it so much. And you can put as much snow as you want on your tree. Let me just dab a little bit more of that. Oh yeah, that is really cool. Friends, thank you for tuning in. Cannot wait for you to tune in to my next video and enjoy your winter scenery with your full moon. Thank you again, friends. You have a great day, okay? Bye-bye.